Have you ever wanted to ensure your test cases match the design one-to-one? Wouldn't it be easier to have a tool to help you generate test cases based on requirements in Figma or any design tool? Today, I will show you how you can do so with QualityWatcher AI Tools. Let's effortlessly transform your Figma design screenshots into comprehensive test cases. With our AI-powered tool, you can streamline your testing process by converting Figma design screenshots directly into test cases. This ensures your development and design teams stay perfectly in sync. Let's get started. First, let's sign up or log into our AI tools. I already have an account, so I'll be logging in. But the sign-up process is quick and simple. Now we're in. Let's head over to an existing design in Figma to take a screenshot of it. Then go back to our AI tools in the chat box and click on the attachment icon. You may now select a file to upload. This is where you'll select the screenshot you just took in Figma. Next, we need to specify what we want the tool to do with the screenshot. Then click on Generate My Tests. Now, we wait and watch it develop test cases from a design screenshot. You have the option to download these generated test cases in Excel format to import them into your test case management tool. Sign up today for a free QualityWatcher AI Tools account and supercharge your testing process.